Hi, Evan Pantazi here. Just landed in Clermont-Ferrand, France. We're going to do the 3 days of training here, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and see what we can see and have a great time doing it. But interesting story came up. I'm not going to give out any names on any ends of this, but we have one of our better practitioners in Kyusho International, very talented young guy. And it seems that one of the old, he used to be DKI, but now he's out on his own. One of the old instructors here from France has decided to start telling people that he trained this other guy in everything he knows, and the guy was never a student of him. So here's a talented guy in Kyusho, actually doing the real stuff, okay? Doing many different things, teaching many different people, has a great group, does seminars around, and here's another guy, an old-timer, that's been with DKI out on his own now, and he's claiming that he taught this kid, and the kid never trained with him. Never. Not even a day, but he's still claiming that he taught him all his skills. So it's a funny world out there. This martial arts, some people just get a little too fat-headed. But anyway, we're going to do some great training here. And it's a lively group. They've been with us for quite a number of years. Got to a nice level of proficiency in the arts. And it's always different. This year we're working on a very dynamic program. We're working more spontaneously than last year. Last year we went off on a tangent from our spontaneous training, and we got into more kata breakdown and kata tegumi. We were doing the Tensho White Crane and the Seiyuchin Black Tiger that I was discussing all last year. And this year what we're going to do is we're going into freestyle fighting and seeing how they can adapt those skills that they picked up last year, and see how they can adapt it into a more spontaneous fighting ability and self-protection ability. So again, anything that's taught in Kyusho should be instantly adapted to a spontaneous and stressful environment, so you get better at the targeting and you can use these methods more accurately and better in a stressful situation. Because a lot of people that train the Kyusho, they just stand there and knock on a point or two, and they think that they're learning the Kyusho. And they're going to have a rude awakening one day if they get into a real altercation and they haven't really practiced the realities and the stresses and the body limitations during high stress and fast attack. So this adaptation, we'll see how we can work, because it was all from the clinch. Now the Tensho and the Seiyuchin methods that I was instructing, I did the videotapes on as well, are all from a clenched position. So going from the freestyle fighting into a clinch and working those methods in is going to be the key. So we escalated on them, and we'll see how they can handle it before we go and expand on it some more. So this is just a quick video. It won't be posted probably until after I get home. I might just post it without any trailer or beginning credits or anything like that. I might just post it up there, and I'll see what goes on during the seminar, whether I can do any filming or pictures or whatnot. Typically I don't usually do that because I'd rather just be teaching and watching the people work. So let's see how it works out. Hopefully I'll be back to you. Take care.